Welcome back to the lecture 10, problem session 3rd, based on lecture 6 to 9, solution of linear system of equations. आज हम लोग जो प्रीवियस ईयर में कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन कॉन्सेप्ट बेस्ड आए हैं उन्हें हम डिस्कस करेंगे। कुछ डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चंस हैं जिनमें सॉल्यूशन निकालना है या रैंक निकालनी है, वो क्वेश्चंस हमारे लेक्चर 6 to 9 पर बेस्ड है। वैसे ही एग्जांपल्स मैंने सॉल्व करके आपको दिखाए हैं, आप उन्हें फॉलो कर सकते हैं। जो क्वेश्चंस कुछ ट्रिक है जिनमें, या जो कॉन्सेप्चुअल और थ्योरी बेस्ड हैं, उन्हें हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं। ओके, पहला क्वेश्चन है द नंबर ऑफ लीनियरली इंडिपेंडेंट सॉल्यूशंस ऑफ द सिस्टम ऑफ इक्वेशन। आप इसको हमारे लेक्चर 9 में देख सकते हैं, मैंने डिस्कस किया है। लेक्चर 8 में एलआई और एलडी सॉल्यूशंस कैसे निकालते हैं सिस्टम ऑफ इक्वेशंस के। सो देखते हैं इस क्वेश्चन को। दिस इज a zero, it means it's a zero vector. If we write it, it will be 0 0 0. Now if we write the augmented matrix, it will be 1 0 2 1 minus 1 0 2 minus 2 0. Now अभी हम इसमें रो इस्लॉन फॉर्म में इसको चेंज करेंगे। सो रो इस्लॉन फॉर्म में चेंज करने का मैंने आपको तरीका बताया है। ये एंट्री 0 होनी चाहिए और ये एंट्री 0 होनी चाहिए। सो R2 is replaced by R2 minus R1 and R3 is replaced by R3 minus 2R. So augmented matrix will look like now 1 0 2 0 0 minus 1 minus 2 0 0 minus 2 minus 4 0. Now this entry must be 0, so R3 replaced by, with the help of this entry, R3 minus 2R. So it will look like now 1 0 2 0 0 minus 1 minus 2 0 0 minus 2 minus 0 0 0 0. You can see that this system has rank 2. Or if we write in the form of variables, you can also write in the form of x y z 1 0 2 0 minus 1 minus 2 0 0 0 x y z equal to 0 0 0. If you go by back substitution, you can see that in the form of variables, you can write this system as below. Now see, this is your first leading row because the leading element is non-zero. This is your second leading row, and third row is free because this leading variable is 0. This is your first leading column, this is your second leading column. Or you can say that the coefficient of x, that must be a11 is non-zero, it means a leading. And the coefficient of y, a22, it is also non-zero, so it's again leading. But the coefficient of z, a33 equal to 0, it means it's a free variable. It means z is arbitrary variable. If z is arbitrary, we can write z equal to k. So you will get one parameter solution. One parameter solution means if we write it using back substitution, you can write x plus 2z equal to 0 if you write using back substitution it, minus y minus 2z equal to 0, and z equal to k, so y will be your minus 2k and x will be your minus 2k again. So the solution will be minus 2k comma k, or k minus 2 minus 2 1. So you have number of linear dependent solutions are infinitely many. Linear dependent solutions are infinitely many, but linear independent solution is only one. only one. This is the only one linear independent solution. And other solutions are the scalar multiple because k is any scalar value. So other solutions are linearly dependent. Or one parameter solution, so equal to one Li solution. One Li solution. And another way to find the number of Li solution is shortcut method. Number of Li solution is order of matrix. It means n if the order of the matrix is A, if A is n cross n matrix, minus rank of A. So you can see that the order of matrix is 3 and the rank of A, first non-zero row, second non-zero. There are only 2 non-zero rows, so rank is only 2. So the number of Li solution is 1. This is a shortcut method, n minus rank of A, and this is the method with the help of parameter. You can find the number of Li solutions. So Li solution is 1 here, but the linear dependent solutions are infinitely many. LD solutions are infinitely many. If someone asks how many solutions are there, then we will claim that infinitely many solutions, because LD solution is also a solution of given system of linear equations. Second question is the solution to the equations 2x plus 3y equal to 1, x minus y equal to 4, 4x minus y equal to alpha will exist if alpha is equal to. So there are many ways to solve this problem. You can use by augmented matrix, or there is another method, shortcut method. You just find x and y from two equations. 2x plus 3y equal to 1 and x minus y equal to 4. You find x and y. You can see that x and y are, if you calculate it, x equal to 13 by 5 and y equal to minus 7 by 5. Now, if this system of equations have a solution, then this solution must satisfy third equation. It means 4x minus y equal to alpha will be satisfied by the equation of first two equations. It means 4 into 13 by 5 minus plus 7 by 5 equal to alpha. So you can see that alpha equal to 59 by 5. The next problem is, let Ax equal to B be a system of linear equations where A is an M cross N matrix. I told you this system in my lectures 8 and 9. And X, I am supposing here N cross M cross N matrix. And B is an N cross 1. I think this is not correct here. B is an M cross 1 column matrix. Yeah, please correct it. B is an M cross 1. Then X will be N cross 1 and B will be M cross 1 matrix. Then which of the following statement is false? The system has a solution. I told you, when the rank of A is equal to rank of augmented matrix, then the system is always consistent. Consistent means there can be both possibility, unique solution or infinitely many solutions. It means this statement is true. This statement is true, not false. If M equal to N and B is a non-zero vector, then the system has a unique solution. It means it is claiming that if A is a square matrix, suppose A is an N cross N matrix, then X is again N cross 1 and then B is, it will be N cross 1. When M equal to N in the option B, then this system can have all the three possibilities. If rank of A is equal to rank of A by B, then it is consistent. But there is also a possibility that rank A is less than rank of AB. Then the system has no solution. So without entries of A and B, we cannot claim that this system has a unique solution. It may be possible that the rank of A and rank of A by B is equal, and it can be less than number of variables also. It can be less than number of variables also, because rank A can be less than n and number of variables are n. It means rank is less than number of variables, then the system can have infinitely many solutions. So we cannot make any comment for the option B. So it is a false statement. But what about third and fourth statement? If you see the fourth statement, firstly I am going to discuss. The system will have a trivial solution when m equal to n. It means we are dealing with a square system, and X is a solution matrix, and B is a zero vector. And rank of A is n. Now you can see that rank of A is equal to n is equal to number of variables. It is a homogeneous system. In the homogeneous system, I told you this is equal to the rank of augmented matrix. It means the system has a unique solution. And this unique solution was trivial solution. You can see my lecture 9, and that trivial solution is exact pure zero solution. Pure zero solution. It means D option is correct. What about C option? If m less than n and B is a zero vector, it means we are again in the homogeneous system. M cross n, X is n cross 1 and 0 of m cross. Now m is less than n, then the rank of A will be less than equal to m, because rank A is always less than equal to minimum of m comma n, and you can see that m is less than n, so rank of A is always less than equal to m, and this is less than number of variables, because the number of variables are n here. Number of variables are n here, so you will get always infinitely many solutions. You can think, sir, why not no solution? We cannot claim here no solution because the system is homogeneous, and the homogeneous system is always consistent. Consistent means it always has a solution. There are two possibilities, unique solution and infinitely many solution. In the case of unique solution, rank of A is equal to the number of variables, and in the case of infinitely many solution, rank A is less than number of variables than infinitely many solutions. So C option is also correct here. Question number 4. A set of linear equation is represented by the matrix AX equal to B. The necessary condition for the existence of a solution for the system is. It means we want the system for the non-homogeneous system AX equal to B. Let a simpler case. A is a 3 cross 3, X is a 3 cross 1, and B is again your 3 cross 1 matrix. Then the augmented matrix will look like A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33, and the partition for the matrix B, B1, B2, B3. I'm claiming it a column vector of 3 cross 1. Now this system has a solution. It means rank A is equal to rank of A by B. It is asking for existence of a solution that can be unique or infinitely many. Unique or infinitely many. We have to see both the possibility here, infinitely many. If you see the augmented matrix A by B is of order 3 cross 4. It means rank of A by B is less than equal to minimum of 3 comma 4. It means it's less than equal to 3. If you see the matrix can have maximum rank 3, but there are 4 columns here. Again, मैंने आपको रैंक का डेफिनेशन बताया था, the number of non-zero rows in the row echelon form or linearly independent rows in the row echelon form. It can be column wise also. Column rank, I told you in my lecture 6, the number of non-zero columns in the column echelon form. In the column form. So if you are going to find the rank using column operations, and there are 4 columns here, and maximum rank can be 3, it means one column is going to be vanish here. At least one column is going to be 0 here. If one column is 0, then the rank will be 3 according to column wise. If 2 column is 0, then rank will be 2. Means rank is less than equal to 3 and the columns are 4 here. It means at least one column is going to be completely 0. And this, suppose this column is going to be 0. Then this column and this column is depending on the A1, A2, A3, this matrix A matrix. It means this column is depending on the elements of A1, Aij entries. With the help of Aij entries, B matrix is written here. B matrix is written here. It means this vector is a linear dependent to these vectors. Means this column is dependent on the column of matrix A. Then only this column can be 0. For example, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 0, 0, 5. Then this column can be 6 if you add all the columns C1, C2, C3, 11, 7. Then this column is dependent on the column 1, 2, 3. Column 4 is nothing else, it's the common column 1 plus column 2 plus column 3. It means B matrix is depending on the columns of matrix A. Then only the rank will be less than equal to 3. It means B must be linear dependent of columns of A. Then you will get always a solution. Then you will get always a solution. The maximum number of linearly independent column vectors, consider the following two statements. The maximum number of linearly independent column vectors of a matrix is called rank. If this is also correct, the rank in the column form, in column rank, this is a correct statement. And what about second statement? This is correct statement. If A is a n cross n square matrix, it will be non-singular if rank is equal to n. If the rank of A is equal to n, it means determinant is non-zero. If determinant is non-zero, the matrix is non-singular. So this statement is also true, and this is a rank definition in the form of column vectors. So both the statements are correct here. Consider the following system of equations in 3 variables: x1, x2, x3. The system of equation has no solution, unique solution, more than one solution, and infinitely many solutions. So this question is based on my lecture 8, but I am going to solve it again as a revision. If you write the coefficient matrix, it will be 2, minus 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 5, 2, minus 1, 4, 1, 3. Now, for the easy calculation, we want 1 or minus 1 as a first entry. So replace R1 by R3. This is your augmented matrix. Now it is equivalent to minus 1, 4, 1, 2 minus 1, sorry, 3 plus 2, 5, 2, and 2 minus 1, 3, 1. Now make this entry 0 and this entry 0 with the help of this entry. So R2 replaced by R2 plus 3R1. R3 replaced by R3 plus 2R. So the augmented matrix will look like now minus 1, 4, 1, 3, 0, 3 time add karenge. It means 3 4 12, 14, 3 and 5, it will be 8. 3 3 is 9 or 2 11, and 2 time add करिए, then it will be 7, 2 or 3, 5, 2 3 is 6 and 1 7. Now make this entry 0. So R3 replaced by 2R3 minus R2. Then only with the help of this entry, then only this entry will be 0. So the augmented matrix will look like now: minus 1 4 1 3 0 14 8 11 0 0 2 2 or 3 12 14 minus 11 3. So you can see that the rank of A equal to 3 equal to rank of A by B equal to number of variables. The system has unique solution. The system has unique solution. You can also check the calculations. If A is a 3 cross 3 matrix with the rank 2, then AX equal to 0 has, you can see that this is a homogeneous system. So we can make any comment about the nonlinear system, then we can make the comment about Li solutions. And the number of Li solution, I told you, number of Li solutions, linear independent solutions, equal to n minus order of matrix minus rank of A. And order of the matrix is 3 minus rank of A equal to 2. So number of Li solution will be 1. So one linear independent solution or one parameter solution. One parameter solution. Next question is, for what value of A, if any, will the following system of equation have a solution? It means we are interested in the solution only. It can be unique solution or infinitely many solutions. So what will be the value of A for the consistency of the system? If we write augmented matrix directly, it will be 2 3 0, coefficient of Z is 0 here, 1 1 1 4 1 2 minus 1 8. Now for easy calculation, I am replacing R1 by R2. Then the augmented matrix will be 1 1 1 4 2 3 0 4 1 2 minus 1 8. Now R2 replaced by R2 minus 2 R1 for making this entry 0. R3 replaced by R3 minus R1. So augmented matrix is equivalent to 1 1 1 0. 2 times subtract करेंगे, it means it will be 1 here and it will be minus 2 here, it will be minus 4 here. Subtract करेंगे 0 1 minus 2 and it will be A minus 4. Now make this entry 0. So R3 replaced by R3 minus R2. Then the augmented matrix will be equivalent to 1 1 1 0 1 minus 2 minus 4 0 0 0 A minus 8. Now एक बात को ध्यान रखिएगा आप लोग, जो भी रो ऑपरेशन आप ए मैट्रिक्स में लगाएंगे, that you have to use also in the matrix B also. Now for the consistency, system has a solution, means system is consistent, then the rank of A is equal to rank of augmented matrix. And you can see that the rank of A is equal to 2 because there are only 2 non-zero rows in the A matrix. Then for rank of A by B equal to 2, A by B, augmented matrix rank must be 2. Therefore, this entry minus it will be, I think it will be 0. A minus 0. A minus 4 minus plus 4. So A minus 0. It means A minus 0 equal to 0 or A equal to 0. It means for the consistent system, A must be 0. Ninth problem is, given a system of equation x plus 2y plus 2z equal to b1, 5x plus y plus 3z equal to b2, which are the following is true regarding its solution? The system has a solution, unique solution for any given value b1, b2. The system will have infinitely many solutions for any given b1, b2. whether or not a solution exists depend on the given B1 and B2. The system would have no solution for any values of B1, B2. So we will use augmented matrix concept here. It will be 1, 2, 2, 5, 1, 3, B1, B2. Now make this entry 0. So R2 replaced by R2 minus 5R. 1, 2, 2, 0, 5 2s are 10, यानी कि minus 9, minus 7, B1, B1 minus 5, B2. This is in the row echelon form. You can see that the rank of A equal to rank of A by B equal to 2. Because there are two non-zero rows. It means we are not depending on this entry. It's less than number of variables, unknowns, unknown number of unknowns. It means infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. Because the very unknowns are 3, x, y, z. Unknowns are x, y, z. And the rank is 2 for A and augmented matrix. And rank is 2 due to this non-zero entries minus 9 and minus 7. It means we are not depending on B1 and B2, free from B1 and B2. It means B1, B2 can be any values, can be any values, can be any value. So B option is correct. The system will have infinitely many solutions for any given B1 and B2. Question number 10 is, the system of linear equation has a unique solution, infinitely many solutions, no solution, exactly 2 solutions. This question is similar. I have discussed in lecture 8 and 9. Only the notation is changed. Up to now, I am considering unknowns are x, y, z, or x1, x2, x3. But in this question, unknowns are given as the form of ABC. So no need to take the worry. We just write augmented matrix A augmented matrix B equal to 2, 1, 3, 3, 0, 1, 1, 2, 5, 5 minus 4, 40. For the easy calculation, R1 is replaced by R3. 1, 2, 5, 14, 3, 0, 1, minus 4, 2, 1, 3, 5. Now make this entry 0, this entry 0 with the help of this entry. R2 is replaced by R2 minus 3R1. R3 is replaced by R3 minus 2R. So the augmented matrix will look like now 1, 2, 5, 0, 3 times subtract करेंगे, it will be minus 6, 3 5s are 15, minus 14, and it will be 14, 3 are 42, minus 46, and 2 times subtract करेंगे, it will be minus 3, it will be minus 7, and it will be minus 23. Now make this entry 0 with the help of this entry. So R3 is replaced by 2 R3 minus R2. Then the augmented matrix will look like now 1, 2, 5, 14, 0 minus 6 minus 14 minus 46, 0, 0, 0, 0. You can see that the rank of A is equal to rank of A by B, because the rank is 2 in both the cases, is less than number of unknowns. Unknowns are 3, ABC. It means infinitely many solutions are here. It means in the next question is, consider the following system of equation, the number of solutions for this system. You have 3 unknowns in 4 equations, but we cannot claim that system has unique many solution or no solution, because the system is non-homogeneous. You can see my lecture 8 based on this topic only. So write the augmented matrix A by B equal to 3, 2, 0, 1, 4, 0, 7, 1, 1, 1, 1, 3, 1 minus 2, 7, 0. For the EG calculation, I am just replacing R1 by R3. Now the augmented matrix is equivalent to 1 1 1 3 4 0 7 1 3 2 0 1 1 minus 2 7 0. Now use the row elementary operation. Make these entries 0 with the help of first A11. R2 replaced by R2 minus 4R1. R3 replaced by R3 minus 3R1. And R4 replaced by R4 minus R1. So you will get augmented matrix is equivalent to 1 1 1 3. You just calculate by yourself only. 0 minus 4 3 minus 11 0 minus 1 minus 3 minus 8 0 minus 3 6 minus 3. Now we have to make these two entries 0 with the help of this minus 4. Minus 4 is looking difficult to for calculation, so we will try to make it 1 or minus 1. So we will replace R3 and R2. So R2 is replaced with R3 now. So it is equivalent to 1 1 1 3 0 minus 1 minus 3 minus 8 0 minus 4 3 8 minus 11 0 minus 3 6 minus 3. Now we will use R3 replaced by R3 minus 4 R2 and R4 replaced by R4 minus 3 R2. So if you calculate it, you will get the augmented matrix A by B is equivalent to 1 1 1 1 3 0 minus 1 minus 3 minus 8 0 0 15 21 0 0 15 21. We will make this entry because this is A33, so इसके below भी 0 होना चाहिए. जो भी रीडिंग एंट्री है AII के नीचे आपको बैक में 0 बनाना है. So this is entry A33, so इसको भी 0 बनाएंगे. It means R4 is replaced by R4 minus R3. You can see my lectures 6 and 7 for the echelon form. 1 1 1 3 0 minus 1 minus 3 minus 8 0 0 15 21 0 0 0 0. So rank of A is equal to rank of A by B is equal to 3 equal to number of variables. It means the system has unique solution. Then the system has unique solution. So number of solution for the system is 1. Or unique solution 1. Next question is, for what values of P the following set of system of equations will have no solution? It means if we write the augmented matrix 2 3 5 3 P 10. So make this entry 0. So R3 replaced by 2 R3 minus 3 R2. Take the LCM. So it will be A augmented matrix B 2 3 5 0 2 R3 means 2P minus 3 R2 and again 9. 2 R3 means 20 minus 15. It will be 5. Now the system has no solution. For the no solution, rank A must be equal to rank of A by B. And rank of A by is already, you can see that 2. First non-zero row, second non-zero row. Due to this 5, this is a non-zero row. It means rank A must be 1. It cannot be less than 1 because one non-zero row is already there. It means rank A is 1. For the rank A is equal to 1, this entry must be 0. It means 2P minus 9 equal to 0. So P equal to 9 by 2. Then rank A will be 1 and rank of A by B will equal to 2. In that case, there will be no solution. Let A be a n cross n matrix with rank R then Ax equal to P has P independent solutions. There P is. I told you na, number of independent solutions are. This question is asked several times, so it's an important concept and shortcut. In the case of homogeneous system, n minus this is order of matrix, and this will work for square matrix, minus rank A, and you can see that order is n and rank is r, so n minus r, and number of independent variable is given to use P, so P will be n minus r. Next question is, if the following system has non-trivial solution. Non-trivial solution means this is a homogeneous system. Lecture 9, you can see I have already this question as exercise to you. It means we are in search of infinitely many solutions. It means this is a, if we see A is a 3 cross 3 matrix and X is a 3 cross 1 system and null vector is a 3 cross 1. It means this is a square matrix here, because there are 3 equations in 3 unknowns, and for the infinitely many solution, I told you as a shortcut remark, if it is a square matrix and if you are searching infinitely many solutions, then the determinant must be equal to 0, and for unique solution determinant must not be equal to 0, but here determinant will be equal to 0, so make the determinant equal to 0 equal to PQR QRP RPQ. Replace R1 by R1 plus R2 plus R3. So 0 equal to P plus Q plus R, Q plus R plus P. I am replacing the row 1. R plus P plus Q, QRP RPQ. Take P plus Q plus R outside. Now it will be 1 1 1 QRP RPQ. Make these two 1 0 by using C1 is replaced by C1 minus C2, and RC2 is replaced by C2 minus C1. Now use C2 is replaced by C2 minus C1 and C3 is replaced by C3 minus C1. You will get this determinant is equal to 0 equal to P plus Q plus R, P plus Q plus R. I am writing the value of determinant directly now. P square plus Q square plus R square, you can simplify it, minus PQ minus QR minus R. Now first factor is equal to 0, it means P plus QR equal to 0, or this entry must be 0, or P square plus Q square plus R square minus PQ minus QR minus R equal to 0. Now if you multiply 2, you can see this is a very important formula. If you multiply 2 both the side, this can be rearranged as P minus Q ka whole square plus Q minus R whole square plus R minus P ka whole square equal to 0. And we know that if ABC are real entries, A square plus B square plus C square equal to 0, and if ABC are real entries, then the only solution is 0 solution, A equal to B equal to C equal to 0. If we compare with ABC, then P minus Q equal to 0, Q minus R must be 0, R minus P equal to 0. Then only this equation will be satisfied. It means P equal to Q equal to R. Next question is, in LU decomposition of the matrix 2, 2, 4, 9, if the diagonal elements of U are both 1, then the lower diagonal entry LT2 of L is. This is a crowd method, I told you, because upper diagonal entry of U are 1. It means we are dealing with crowd, and do little method. I discussed both these methods in lecture 9. You just follow that lecture. Then L matrix will be look like L11 0, L21, L22, and U matrix will be 1 1 0, U 1 2. And you know that this LU equal to A. If you multiply L21 0, L11 L 0, L21, L22, 1, U1, 2, 0, 1 equal to A matrix 2, 2, 4, 9. If you compare after multiplication, you will get L22 equal to 5. You just multiply these entries, these two matrices, and compare with this matrix, you will get L22 equal to 5. Consider the following linear system: x plus 2y minus 3z equal to a, 2x plus 3y plus 3z equal to b, 5x plus 9y minus 6z equal to c. The system is consistent. It means have a solution. Have a solution. We just write a augmented matrix for this: 1, 2 minus 3 a, 2, 3, 3b, 5, 9 minus 6 c. Consistent means solution can be both unique or infinitely many. Unique or infinitely many. It can be any of the case. Now, R2 is replaced by R2 minus 2R1. R3 is replaced by R3 minus 5R. So the augmented matrix will look like now. One, 2 minus 3. A, 0, R2 minus 2R, minus 1, 9, B minus 2A, 0, minus 1, minus 15, minus plus 9, C minus 5A. Now make this entry 0 with the help of this entry. So R3 is replaced by R3 minus R2. So the augmented matrix will look like now 1, 2 minus 3. A, 0 minus 1 plus 9. B minus 2A. 0, 0, 0. 0, 0, 0. C minus 3A minus B. You can just calculate it. Minus 5A minus B plus 2A. Now, system is consistent. The system is consistent. It means rank A must be equal to rank of A by B for the consistent. And rank of A is equal to 2. You can see that. So rank of A by B, because there are two non-zero rows in the A matrix only. So the rank of A by B must be also equal to 2. It means for this, we have to make this entry 0. C minus 3A minus B equal to 0. Then only rank of augmented matrix will be 2. And it will be equal to rank of A. Then system will be consistent. So the condition is 3A plus B. If we multiply 3A plus B equal to, minus C equal to 0. 3A plus B minus C equal to 0. Hence, B option is correct in this question. And next question is: consider the system is system of m linear equations in n variables. There are m equation. It means m cross n system, and n variables. It means x is n cross 1, and right side is b is m cross 1. B can be any zero vector or non-zero vector. It is not given to you. If m less than n, then such system have a solution. If m less than n, it means number of linear equations are less than number of variables, then system have a solution. It is not necessary. The system can have no solution also. If the rank of A is less than, in the first option, it is also possible, rank of A is less than rank of A by B, then no solution is also possible. So the first option is not correct. If m greater than n, then none of these system has a solution. It means if the equations are greater than number of variables. In that case, rank of A equal to A by B equal to number of variables is also possible, because some of the rows can be linearly dependent to the previous rows. So system can have a solution, can have solution. So we cannot make any comment about no solution, or none of these system has a solution. Can have a solution. If m equal to 1, number of equation, yani ki homogeneous system, it means it's a homogeneous system, it's a square system. It's a square system. Then this will be a square system. In this case, there are all three possibilities. Can be unique solution, can be many solution, can be no solution. So there exists a system which can have a solution. If this is a correct option, there exists a system can have a unique solution. So by seeing the values of m and n, we cannot claim anything. But in the third option, there can exist a system which has a solution. In the first two, we cannot make any comment without noticing the rank of A and augmented matrix. Without these ranks, we cannot make any comment. And the last question, it's this is a 2017 engineering services question. The solution of the system of equation. Very easy system. You just write the augmented matrix. A by B is equal to 1 1 1 4, 1 minus 1 1 0, 2 1 1 5. You can use any of the method. A inverse equal to 1 upon determinant A adjoint A. You have studied in class 10 plus 2 also, and you just use the elementary operation R2 equal to R2 minus R1 and R3 equal to replaced by R3 minus 2R1. It will be equivalent to 1 1 1 4, 0 minus 2, 0 minus 4, 0 minus 1 minus 1, 3, and you make this entry 0 by R3 equal to 2 R3 minus R2. So it will be augmented matrix now will look like 1 1 1 4 0 minus 2 0 minus 4 0 0 minus 1 minus 1. If you use in the form of xyz, it will be x plus y plus z equal to 4 minus 2y equal to minus 4 and minus z equal to minus 1. So z equal to 1, y equal to 2 and x will be 1. So there 1 to 1 will be the solution of this equation. 1 to 1. It means D option is correct. So this is the ending of some previous year question and the problem session. In the next class, we will study eigenvalues and eigenvectors. Till now, quiz 1 is ready in the Genomio portal. So you can see my lecture 2 where login Genomio portal is also discussed, how to log in the Genomio portal, and you can take the quiz and see the marks based on the lecture 1 to 5. Okay, thank you.